Just taking off your, and that's why I wanted to say it's simple things. So before we leave the podcast, I just want to get them simple things to do.
Okay.
And the first thing is I always want to talk about the sun. If you are so-called African American or you have that melanin, or you have melanin sites or melanocytes in you, you need to be in the sun at least 2 hours a day, direct sunlight. I don't recommend you get in the sun when it's high noonday because it still can burn you whether you got melanin or not. So I say as soon as you get up, once you stretch and you drink your juice, your H3O2 or your H2O, what you would call spring water, immediately go outside. Jumpstart your organs, your eternal organs. For everybody else that call them internal organs, we are eternal people. Drink your water, jumpstart the organs, because water is a conductivity or a conduit for electricity. Then go outside and get the electric from the sun. 2 hours. That will heal your body alone. Next is after that. So we got fire. So we're going to heal through the elements. First thing is always fire. You have to involve fire in healing. At least 2 hours in the fire in the sun. Next is going to be earth. What I was just talking about, grounding, being in nature. There's something that happened to the psychological process of our brains just by looking at green trees. Literally, it makes you happy. There is something called nature deficiency orders. Look it up. You can Google it right now on your iPad. It's called nature deficiency order, where people go through a psychological depression and they don't realize why. And then they go into nature for 2 hours a day, and everything and all those suicidal thoughts that they was going through, they don't have them anymore. So they were literally, it's called nature deficiency order, right? So get in nature. Not only get in nature, eat from nature. Natural organic things that grow from nature. Fruits, berries, melons, vegetables, limited seeds, limited nuts, and limited grains. These things are very good for the body, and it brings on a detoxification. So we got fire, which is the sun. We got earth, which is everything that she grows inside of earth, and grounding, connecting with earth. You can lay on earth. These things will actually discharge all the negative protons in the body and bring, all the positive protons in the body and bring in negative electrons to make your body more ionic, for it can be more in a balance of homeostasis. So we got fire, we got earth. Next, we have to talk about wind, or what you call air, oxygen. Breathing, diaphragmatic breathing is amazing. Just by you basically elongating your spinal cord, and you breathe in through your nasal passage. When you breathe in, you expand your diaphragmatic muscles. So when you breathe in, your stomach go out. Hold it, and then you exhale. Your belly button supposed to touch your spinal cord. Just by doing that exercise 20 minutes of the day will literally regenerate a lot of your cellular tissues, and it will love the mitochondria that gives you all of the energy that I was talking about, will love it, because that's what the body needs to convert sunlight. It's oxygen. So we have the fire, which is the sun. We have earth, which is the actual earth. We got wind, which is oxygen. What's left is what? Water. 90. Look, your body have 87% water. Your brain have 97% water, right? But the functioning of your body is 99% water molecules. So technically, your body is made of 99% water. You have to replace that, especially if you're working out, if you breathing, if you drinking, if you eating, because that water dissipate. You need those waters in your cells, because in order for the sunlight to penetrate the cells and work in the Golgi apparatus of the cell, or the cytoplasm of the cell, it needs water to convert sunlight. It's called H3O, or what you would call exclusion zone water. So make sure you drinking the adequate amount of water. Now, the water I'm talking about is called H3O2. H3O2 is actually fruit juice. Get more fruit juices in, and these things are your coconuts, very hydrative, cucumber water, very hydrative, watermelon juice, very hydrative. And what I do on a daily basis, I make sure that I'm at least drinking 55 ounces of water a day, right? Out of those 55 ounces of water, 25 ounces of those water is going to be natural juice that's coming from a juicer. The other ounces is going to be natural H2O spring water. This will hydrate the body. And not only, and people think hydration means you liquefying the body. No, hydration means that you're getting electrolytes and minerals in the body, because the minerals and the electrolytes turn into salt. See, we're not freshwater creatures. We're saltwater creatures. That's why you have salt, or what you would call minerals, in your veins. You are literally a saltwater creature. If you look inside of your veins and you check the plasma and the water inside of your cells, it got potassium in there. You got sodium inside of there. You got all these different types of minerals. The body can't utilize minerals. The body don't need minerals. What the body does is when the body get the minerals, it metabolizes them and it stick them together as salts. And then these salts act like glues and it stick amino acids together. And that's what creates what you would call a so-called protein. So we need fire, sun, we need earth, which is earth, vegetables, discharging. You see that? We need wind, which is oxygen. And last but not least, we need water. If you do those 4 things every single day, that will change your life. What you still eating the stuff that you eating, showing you that. So, and that's going to encourage you to quit eating the bull crap.
Yeah, and get on point.
See that? So look, everybody's scared to change their diet, right? How about don't change your diet right now? Just add to your diet. Add more fruits and vegetables. Start grounding. Add earth. Get in the sun 2 hours a day. You know, add fire. Start breathing more.
Yeah.
Be around oxygen trees more. Add wind. Last but not least, start drinking at least 50 to 55 ounces of water a day. Use water. Use those 4 elements. Man, look, you ain't gonna want to eat the chicken wing no more. I'm telling